Hello again, everyone. I have already unbagged this Chic Sparrow. I'm sort of laughing because I started the video and then realized I wasn't recording. So I didn't feel like shoving it back in the bag. That seemed a little disingenuous to me. So so here it is. Here we are. This is a I'm going to tell you what it is and then I'm going to open it and show you. This is from the Sincerely Yours collection, which is limited edition from Chic Sparrow. It is the Aleric in a pocket Cascade. Pocket Cascade is new to me, and the Aleric leather is new to me. Aleric, I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where the names came from, so I don't know. But let's go ahead and get in here. Actually, let me see if I have a new sticker. Oh, yep. Okay, so it's another baby oak, so cute. I'm going to put that off to the side. And I'm going to leave that. You don't need to see any of that. So this is the last notebook that I have on order, which hopefully, again, I'm feeling in there and it's really nice and soft. I'm hoping that other than the new iteration of Burgundy, I will not be ordering any others. But we'll see. You never know. I might go nuts and buy some more stuff. I've kind of decided that I'm going to do my D stash if I do a large one after the holidays, just because I know there's going to be a bunch of sales and that sort of thing, and I don't really want to add to that. I'll probably do it after the new year. But anyway, so let's open this guy up. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. That looks a lot like the same tone as the Evanwood. Let's see, I do have, so this is, yeah, well, similar. So this is an Evanwood from the first run in the E-Class, which is no longer available. Both the first run and the E-Class are no longer available. But if you have one, it is similar. It's just not as shiny. Let's say it's dark, and I really love this color, and this one is really, really nice too. I saw some people getting some with really nice texture and scars, and again, I didn't put any notes, so I kind of left it up to chance. So it's pretty uniform, and when you turn it in the light, you can see a little bit of veining. There you go. You can see that a little bit better there, and some lines. It's really super pretty. Okay, now let's get to the inside. Oh, this is going to be perfect as a wallet. I can already tell. So it has 3 little Cascade pockets here, and then we have the 4 strings and the secretarial pocket and the pen loop. So I hear a rumor, well, it's not really a rumor, I think it's from Jennifer Harvey herself, that there is going to be a change in the pen loop where you can remove it. I'm not going to go into much more detail on that. I don't know when it's going to be instituted. I don't know whether it's truly going to be on all travelers' notebooks. I'm not really sure how I feel about it, quite frankly, but you know, a lot of things I don't know how I feel about it till I get them, and then either I fall in love or I don't. So that remains to be seen. I really like this pen loop, so I'm a little sad that they're deciding to go a different direction, but again, you know, maybe it'll come and it'll be even better. So I'm not really gonna talk more about that. It just made me think about it, the fact that these are new and she released these after she talked about the pen loop. Blah 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 blah. All this is to say we'll see about the pen loop. So the inside of this, I would say that this is not as soft on the inside as the Desmond. I actually have the Desmond. I switched my everyday carry into this, so it's a little chunked up right now. Ooh, and it looks like I got a little scratch on the back, but again, totally rubbing out. It does seem easily scratched, but I've only had it at my desk because I just recently changed and swapped out. But let's go ahead and show you the color differences here. So this is the Desmond, this is the Aleric. I think that I'm glad that I purchased this darker one for a wallet. I tend to like darker colors for a wallet. I don't know why. Although the last wallet that I used, other than the pocket-sized black wallet, which this is all to be revealed on the channel soon. But I was using a personal size in sort of a lighter brown. And you know, I don't know if I was really warming up to it. I think partially because I just sort of think that a wallet should be darker, but I don't know. That, I mean, that doesn't really come from anywhere. I really like the weight of this. It's not crazy heavy, but it's definitely heavier than and someone asked about this on the channel actually with the Desmond, how heavy it is. It's probably lighter than Outlander, if any of you have the Outlander. But it's probably around the weight of a Waypoint Deluxe, maybe a little heavier. I don't know. And that could just be because of the extra pocket in here, because normally there's only this, essentially there's one extra piece of leather in this pocket size because of the extra pockets. But I love it. I love this. I'm really happy that they released this particular model. I see that these are all sold out now. So the pocket size of the Cascade. So if you do want them, I think the buy sell trade groups or maybe eBay or something like that might be your only choice at this point. But and that's probably why I was not in as huge of a rush to post this video to you, because if something's not available, you know, I don't want you to run out and then be disappointed if you wanted it. So here is the Desmond, the Aleric. Let me go ahead and show you the inside textures. Let's see, probably let's move to the end here so you can see more, because this seems a little more suede-y than this one. This one doesn't have as much of a, I guess it feels like there's a little bit more leather sticking up than on this one, but I think they are both beautiful, and like them both a lot. All right. Well, that's it for today. I just wanted to do that quick comparison and then also compare that to the to that other leather earlier, just so that you could see. I really like this leather. Like I said, I just moved in for my everyday carry. I'm not sure if I am a true devotee yet. I kind of have to see how I like it after I've been carrying it for a little while. Like I said, it does seem easily scratched, but it does seem easy to buff out the scratches. Let me see if that's the same. Oh, it looks like scratches might not show up as much on the black, or not the black, the dark brown here. And again, it seems like you can rub it out pretty easily. So, so we'll see. We'll see how it wears. I'll probably do an update. I'm not going to be moving into this as my wallet for a little while because I currently am really liking my wallet, but it is definitely on the list, and I'm super stoked about those Cascade pockets in there. She may or may not be switching the pocket configuration to this one, or at least making it available. I don't know. There's been a lot of hints out there, so I don't want to say anything for sure. All right, so that's it for today. Feel free to subscribe so you can keep track of future videos on the channel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you have any questions about any of these products or leathers, let me know, and I will answer you as soon as I can. All right, well, I hope to see you next time, but until then, have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye.